What's up guys, it's Ben over at Kaplan Cycles. Got another treat for you. We dug another tin set out of the collection. We got a 2004 Harley-Davidson Wide Glide Fxdwg in luxury teal and brilliant silver. Guys, these have never been on a bike at all. No fuel through the tank. Guys, like I said, we got an N.O.S. tin set here, including the front fender, gas tank, and rear fender. If you're interested, give us a call here at Kaplan Cycles, 860-471-0192. Look forward to hearing from you.